This is the last lesson about the trigonometry. In this lesson, we are going to find the area of the triangle by using two formula. The first formula is sine formula. As you see, all the formulas are giving the area of the triangle ABC here. And all the formulas also, they are including 1 over 2, so half of the A times B times sine C. But here the important part, A times B times sine C, as you see, they are the angles and, the sides and the angle between them. A and C, so sine B it must be, as you see here, sine B. Or B and C, the angle between them is A, so it's going to be B times C times sine A. The second formula here, Heron's theorem. And in Heron's theorems, we are using U term. And U is the half of the perimeter, which is A plus B plus C over 2. And we are subtracting each side one by one, U minus A, U minus B, U minus C. Then we are multiplying this one again by the half of the perimeter, which is U. Then we are going to get the square root of this expression. This is the way to find the area of the triangle, second way to find. Okay, now in this question we are going to find the area. The sides are 4 and 5. The angle between them is 60. So area of ABC is equal to 1 over 2 times, the side is B here, this is B, this is C, and of course when you use B and C, the angle should be B times C times sine A, the third letter sine A. And area of ABC is equal to 1 over 2 times 5 times 4 times sine 60 is going to be this 4 and this 4 we may simplify, 2 we may simplify, the answer will be 10 times, because this is going to be 2 and 1, 10 times sine 60 is equal to root 3 over 2 is going to be, so 10 and 2 if we simplify, the answer is going to be equal to 5 root 3. So the area of ABC is going to be equal to 5 root 3 unit square. Okay, this time the area it is given 15 and they are asking us to find the A value. So the formula for ABC, area of ABC is 1 over 2 times A times C. When you use two letters, the sign of B it's going to be, which is not here, and A and C is here, so B is going to be, 1 over 2 times A we don't know, and C is equal to 10, sine B is equal to sine 30 is going to be, and we know the total area is going to be 15. So 15 is equal to, here when you simplify 2 by 10 it's going to be 5, and 5A times sine 30 is equal to 1 over 2 is going to be equal to 15. So 2 goes to up, 15 times 2 is equal to 5A, and 15 times 2 over 5 is going to be equal to A. 15 and 5 if you simplify, this is going to be 3 and this is going to be 1, and 6 is equal to A is going to be. So A is equal to 6, B found, which is the side BC at the same time. For finding the area of ABC, we are going to use Heron's formula, and for the Heron's formula we need to know what is the value of U, and this means half of the perimeter. So if I say this is a value, a is equal to 3 and 4 is equal to b and c is equal to 2, it means that u is equal to a plus b plus c over 2. That's equal to, we will say u is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 over 2, which is equal to u is equal to 9 over 2 we are going to find. So the Heron's formula is equal to area is equal to square root of u times u minus a times u minus b times u minus c is going to be. Okay, then a is equal to 9 over 2 times 9 over 2 minus 3, 9 over 2 minus b is equal to 4, and times 9 over 2 minus I need to clean this part. Yes, 9 over 2 minus 2 is going to be. Okay, then a is equal to 9 over 2 times 9 over 2 minus 3 here, 2 times minus 3, it's going to be equal to 9 minus 6 over 2. Here 9 minus 2 times 4 minus 8 over 2, and here 9 minus 4 over 2 is going to be, and area is equal to 9 over 2 times 9 minus 6, 3 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 5 over 2 is going to be. So here 2 times 2, 16. It's going to be area is equal to 9 times 15 over 16 square root of it. It's going to be. So you can take 9 out as 3 and root 15, and root 16 is going to be equal to 4. So area is equal to 3 root 15 over 4 is going to be. Okay, the next one. In the triangle ABC, the sides are 9, 10 and 11, and we are going to find the value of ABC. Again, I'm going to use Heron's formula, a plus b plus c over 2, it's going to be equal to u for us. 9 plus 10 plus 11 over 2 is equal to u, and 9 plus 10 plus 11 is 30, so 30 over 2 is equal to u, and u is equal to 15 is going to be. Then if I apply the Heron's rule, area is equal to root of u times u minus a times u minus b times u minus c is going to be. So a is equal to 15 times 15 minus 9 times 15 minus 10 times 15 minus 11 is going to be. Okay, in the root. Okay, then a is equal to 15 times 6 times 5 times 4 is going to be, and here area is going to be equal to, here we have 3 times 5 with 15 means 3 times 2 and 5 times 4. Here if I multiply 3 and 3, area is going to be equal to 9 times 5 times 5, 25, and 4, I'm not going to, separate that one, and 2 I have. As you see, I separate them and I made perfect squares because I'm going to take them out as 9 out as 3, 25 out as 5, 4 out as 2, and you cannot take 2 directly out. Area is going to be equal to 3 times 15 times 2 is going to be 30 root 2 is going to be. Okay. In this question, we are going to find the value of x. X is at the same time h here, altitude, and we need to remember about the area of the triangle. If you remember area of the triangle, a times h over 2, a is equal to 12 here, and at the same time we have the Heron's formula. Area is equal to u times u minus a times u minus b times u minus c. It was, if you remember. Here it's going to be. So for both of them, with both of them, we can find the area. So they must be equal to each other. What does it mean? If I find the area of the triangle ABC, area of ABC, by using the here Heron's formula, it's going to be equal to u times u minus a times u minus b times u minus c is going to be. So u is equal to a plus b plus c over 2, which is 12 plus 10 plus 6 over 2, which is 22, 28. U is equal to 14 is going to be. So it's going to be equal to 14 times 14 minus 12 times 14 minus b is equal to 10 times 14 minus 6, it must be. Okay, then it's going to be equal to 14 times root of 14 times 2 times 4 times 8, it's going to be. So here it's going to be equal to 64 root of 14 times 64 you can get out as 8 root of 14 is the area of the ABC. Okay, how to find the h here? I said the other formula is a times h over 2. So area is equal to a times h over 2, and that's equal to 8 root of 14 is equal to a is the base, which is 12, times h we don't know, or I am to find that one, or I am to find h, time over 2 is going to be. Okay, then here it is. If we write the equation again, 8 root 14 is equal to 6h, it's going to be, and h is equal to 8 root 14 over 6, it must be, which is equal to x at the same time.